Hello, my name is Alvin Brown, tax attorney. The topic today is powers of attorney. People that hire representatives want to make sure that they don't have to face the IRS. A lot of people that I talk with say, I don't want to talk to the IRS. I want you to talk to the IRS. My authority to talk to the IRS is Form 2848. And it has your data and my information. I or another attorney in my office become the contact person for the IRS under IRS rules. They must talk to me, not you. So if you have somebody who's your power of attorney, understand that the IRS is breaking their own rules if they talk to you. So if you engage an attorney, tax attorney, you don't have to take the call. If they show up at the door, say, hey, talk to my attorney. The nice thing about the power of attorney is that you will get a copy of everything I get. So if the IRS mails me, let's say, a notice of intent to levy, I will get that and you'll get that. Either you get the original and I get a copy, or I get the copy and get the original. It doesn't really make any difference. The IRS will accept faxes of powers of attorney. As soon as we get it, we send it to the IRS centralized unit. They call it their CAP unit. It's a very easy form to fill out. Line 1, your name and address, social security number. If you've had any other EIN number, any other business, they want you to put that EIN in so they complete the information on you. And Section 3, the type of tax, like income tax, 1040, it's your income tax return, and the years that you want representation for. So you can limit the representation of your power of attorney. In my view, you want to go cover as many years as possible, including the current year. And then you just sign it on Section 9. The people that can use a power of attorney are tax attorneys, CPAs, and enrolled agents. There's different levels of services that you get for each. For those who are not attorneys and CPAs, the IRS has the Form 8821, and anyone at all can be qualified to communicate to the IRS by reason of the Form 8821. And that's the alternative form for someone, but anyone who uses the 8821 can't represent you. It's only for giving them information, gathering information, talking about you, but they can't represent you before the IRS. With regard to the differences between, who's going to represent you, I always want people to know that the Internal Revenue laws are law. So, who is better to represent you on an issue of law? An enrolled agent, a CPA, or an attorney? Obviously an attorney, because that's what we do. We read law, we interpret law, we read legislative history, we read the case law, we can interpret the case law, we interpret regulations, we apply it, we can write legal memoranda. So, as between all of those things, if you have your choice between those three, I would think that you'd want to choose an attorney. And of course, within the world of attorneys, you should, engage somebody who is an experienced tax attorney. I like to think that I can research any tax issue, but the Internal Revenue Code and the tax law has a lot of interrelated areas, So there are things that are connected and relate to one another. So to the extent you can find someone with broad experience, that's enormously helpful. Anyhow, this is just a short topic about the power of attorney. The important thing to know is that you do not have to talk to the IRS. You can have somebody talk to the IRS for you. And there's a reason for that, too, in my opinion. When you're talking to the IRS one-on-one, they can take something you say and twist it. And it's you versus the IRS, and their word against your word. So If you do end up talking to the IRS without representation, then I would prefer that you talk to them with somebody with you, a close relative, spouse, child, because too often the IRS is going to report something or twist something. And also, quite frankly, you don't want to say anything incriminating. You might say you did something, I made a mistake, wow, criminal, and so to the extent you can minimize your contact with the IRS, that would be a great plus. Thanks for listening. I hope I've been able to help you today. You can reach me by phone at 888-712-7690, extension 106. Other extensions for staff are extension 111 or extension 104. If you call, it's best to make an appointment with one of the staff people on either 111 or 104. I like emails. I read my emails every day, sometimes twice a day. My email address is ab@irstaxattorney.com, ab@irstaxattorney.com. I hope I've been able to help you understand powers of attorney and the related form 8821. Any questions on any tax issue relevant to the IRS? We specialize in representing people before the IRS, and we do it nationally. And of course, we have clients, U.S. people living and working abroad in this increasingly small global world. Good luck, and I hope you don't have any serious tax issues that even we need to talk about. But take care.